So we got a 2021 QX50 Infiniti here, and Key FOB needs a new battery. It tells us that in the screen. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go inside the vehicle. We're gonna start the car. You're gonna see low battery, Key FOB low battery. That's the symbol it gives. So we're gonna start this baby up. We're gonna push start this baby, and it gives us a signal right here. Let's give it a moment. It's gonna pop up. Okay, we gotta close the door, I guess. Okay, there you go. Key battery low. Anyways, we're gonna turn the car off. I don't have the battery yet. It's the store's out of stock, but I'm gonna show you guys how to change this battery. So let me set up my camera. I'm gonna stand right here and do it for you guys right here. I'm gonna stand right here and do it. Okay, so my friend went to pick up the battery. It's CR2032. That's the number right there. More numbers in the back if you guys need, but CR2032, you can find this on Amazon, Fat Boys, eBay. So pretty much this is your key fob right here. In back of it you got this little switch right here. So what you want to do is you want to pull up on this and your key comes out. I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna hang it right here because all I need is a key fob here. So we're gonna open this up. So to open this up, there's like a small little slot right here and a slot here. So you want to take a flathead screwdriver. What you're gonna do is stick this in there, stick this in there. And if you got another key, just keep it separate. You don't want that key to be nowhere near because the car will pick up the signal, and sometime it will lose signal, and you don't want that. So all I want to do is splice this open. Once it opens up a little bit, then you just go all around. Let me do a little bit more here. So I'm gonna go a little bit more. Okay, it's not holding itself. So once it's open, it's like a little sandwich. So just try to keep it, nothing should just fly out of there. Okay, just like that. You see that? I'm gonna put this end down, and I'm gonna take this little guy. So pretty much make sure you pay attention to how the battery goes. So pretty much if you put it the wrong way, it might not even work. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this battery out of here. So it wouldn't even tell you right here, CR2032 number right there. So pretty much you got the positive facing down. This is what the battery look like. We're gonna put this to the floor. Okay, about that battery no more. I'm gonna get this out of the package. It's well packed. I'm gonna have to get a scissor. I don't want to walk into my office right now just to get a scissor, but I am gonna have to go out there. I'm sorry about that. I had to walk away. And anyways, get yourself a scissor ready. I didn't know it was gonna be this packed. So once you open this up, you should have this little guy come out. So I just want to put that away. I'm gonna put the screwdriver away. So pretty much remember how the battery is facing. So you want to slip this into the spot just like that. And what you want to do is you want to close this top up very easily. And what you want to do is it should just click right in like a sandwich. Bada bing, bada boom. Now we should still got our working key fob keys. I hang the keys over here. So you want to take the key, stick this back in, and we're gonna go inside the car and check if everything is working, operating properly. So I'm gonna just take my camera off this mount. We should no longer have that signal in the dash. So same key. Let's go inside. We're gonna close the door. Put this here. Start up the car. Bada bing, bada boom. So far no lights. Yeah, you don't have to press nothing. There's no reset, no nothing. It's just gonna detect that there's no longer issue with your battery. You're good to go. Thank you for watching my video, guys, and hopefully this video helped you guys out. See you guys on the next video, and bye bye. That's how simple it is to change the battery on the key fob.